Okay. Oh my god. Please.
Problem. I have nothing to put this in.
Oh, the stick blender?
I have no wax paper or...
Oh, you can just disattach the blender and leave the stick blender like head in there.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me help you win. I'll do the same thing and then we can do lye. It won't matter. Just don't pour it in here.
Yes, ma'am. Still doing the math.
I think it's 15
80.
ounces.
Yeah, I had to, oh, I didn't tear the scale. Okay, critical.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Doing here. Not you grabbing the one I wanted? I'm dying! I should have grabbed it at the beginning. I'm not used to playing with others.
Doesn't soap well with others.
Doesn't soap well with others.
Hello, gold. Save me.
Me steals gold again. I may or may not have done that on purpose. It's fine. Listen, I am praying to the soap gods that I'm favored with this one.
It's really purple and it's deep.
You're going for that eclectic look.
Somebody help me. What I lack in soap making, I make up for in glitter.
That's, you know what? Perfect.
This is like the ugliest soap I've ever. Hands down. Look at it.
It's gonna make the video so good though.
Done.
Okay. Bang, bang, bang. Give me that. Okay. I think I went too boring. I think I should have zhuzhed it up a little.
I think you may have played it safe in the right way.
Hi.
Okay.
We have to put them to bed.
Goodbye. All right, it's time for Katie and I to unmold our soaps from our epic soap off challenge, and it will be up to you, audience, who wins this challenge. Now, can you guess whose soap is whose? We need your votes. Let us know which one's Katie's and which one is Charlotte's. I think it's pretty obvious. Okay, let's unmold.
Okay. I unironically like the top of yours. I really do.
I like yours. Maybe we should just trade.
Okay, sounds good to me.
Let's trade soaps. Oh, hello. You are not well.
Okay, I demand that you cut first.
Of course she does.
I'm just so curious. I feel like I know what the inside of mine is gonna look like, but I'm very
No
curious.
one knows what the inside of this will look like. Da, da, da.
Wait, why do I love it though?
It's really not as bad as it looks.
It's
and
not.
I could probably clean up so much of this with a potato peeler. So my soap is not trash. Great news.
No. It looks good. It kind of has like a marble look on the bottom. With your mica, honestly, slay.
All right, we did something. We don't know if it's good, but Katie likes it, so we'll call that a win. Okay.
Okay. I think mine is gonna be underwhelming. You like did all these colors and now it's just gonna be like, hooray, oatmeal. I did try to put like, I think you won.
I don't know.
I think you won. My mica kept moving around. I didn't wait long enough. I just kept plopping it in because I also was panicking.
So one of the challenges, a part of this challenge was that Katie and I only had one pitcher to work with. So we had to do everything within one pitcher, which was quite challenging. Didn't give us a lot of room for creative freedom here.
Definitely not.
But, you know, that's what we did to ourselves.
Truly.
I think Katie won, you guys.
You are too nice.
These are just classically good. They're beautiful. They smell great. And also, I have to admit, we've got a theme going here. We've got this buttery, creamy colored soap with an espresso fragrance in it.
Yes.
I'm a purple peach Bellini over here, you guys. It just doesn't make sense.
I mean, I still think you get points for this because I love the pink mica.
I got a little point for that.
It's so cute.
Yeah. All right, guys, we need you to vote. Let us know in the comments below, who do you think won the soap off challenge?